Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My muscles were screaming the day after my husband and I did a tile floor job for a friend of ours, and I can't tell you how thankful I was for this neck, shoulder, and back heating pad from AAYAAY. What I love most about it is how easy it is to use and how well it stays in place. Because you can snap it in the front, it stays on my shoulders and neck regardless of what I'm doing. I can work at my computer, reach for my coffee and remote while I'm watching TV, or lay in bed and read a book. I also love that despite our body types and height differences, this heating pad fits great on all the members of my family. The controller is very easy to operate and understand. It has several different settings and heat variations for you to pick what works best for you and your circumstances. It's also very well made, with strong stitching all around. It's also extremely soft to the touch and it's weighted so it feels like a big warm hug every time you put it on. So if you're looking for a comfortable way to relieve the aches and pains that life brings, then I think you're going to love this weighted heating pad from AAYAAY. And that's my point of view.